HTML is the document layer of the web. It gives your content structure and meaning, so the browser can turn a plain file into a readable page. CSS handles the look, and JavaScript handles behavior, but HTML comes first. Every visible part of a web page starts as an element. Most elements have an opening tag, content, and a closing tag. Attributes, like href on a link, add extra information that changes what the element does. A basic HTML page begins with a predictable skeleton. The doc type tells the browser to use modern HTML. The head contains metadata such as the title, while the body contains the content users actually see. Semantic HTML means choosing tags that describe the role of the content. Header, nav, main, section, article, aside, and footer make the page easier for people, assistive technology, and search engines to understand. Most beginner pages use a small set of element families. Links move people around, media adds images or video, forms collect input, and tables display real tabular data. The key is to choose the element that matches the job. Good HTML is not just about making a page appear. Clear headings, labels, alt text, and semantic regions improve accessibility. Meaningful structure also helps search and makes the page easier to maintain. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript each have a different responsibility. HTML defines the structure, CSS controls the presentation, and JavaScript adds behavior. Separating those jobs makes web projects easier to reason about. For a solid first page, follow a simple workflow. Create index.html, add the document skeleton, write content with headings and paragraphs, use semantic regions, add needed elements, then validate and test before styling.